Welcome to our tutorial on how to find recognized devices on Facebook using your PC. Facebook has recently updated this process, making it easier for users to manage their account security. Let's dive into the simple steps to locate and review the devices connected to your Facebook account. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option called Settings and Privacy. Click on that to expand more options. Now, instead of going directly to Settings as you might have done in the past, we're going to click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook has moved some of its security features in the latest update. Once you're in the Activity Log, look to the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see Security and Login Information. Click on this option to expand it. Under the Security and Login Information section, you'll find Recognized Devices. This is what we're looking for. Click on it and voila! You'll now see a list of all the devices that are currently recognized and logged into your Facebook account. This list includes computers, smartphones, tablets, and any other devices you've used to access Facebook. Each entry typically shows the device type, operating system, and approximate location where it was last used. It's a good practice to review this list regularly. If you spot any unfamiliar devices or locations, you can easily remove them to enhance your account security. Simply click on the three dots next to any device you don't recognize and select Log Out. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of where your Facebook account is being accessed from, ensuring that only devices you trust have access to your personal information. Remember, staying on top of your account security is crucial in today's digital age, so make it a habit to check your recognized devices periodically. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.